Watch this. Shake it up, shake it up. Ooh, watch this.
Happy 7th birthday, Hannah. We love you.
Happy 7th birthday, Hannah. We love you.
Happy 7th birthday, Hannah.
We love you.
I'm about to turn up this evening. Something you should see. You should look over here, no doubt. About to move 6 gears, yeah. This is a premiere. Big dreams are about to get up in here. I shake the ground. You know I make it count. Baby, once we up, no, we ain't coming down. Oh, okay. Ha. I'm glowing, I'm gleaming. That's how I'm feeling. I get it like, watch this. I got the moves. Ooh, yeah. Hey, watch this.
Happy 7th birthday, Hannah. I love you.
Happy 7th birthday, Hannah.
Hannah, happy 7th birthday.
Happy birthday, Hannah. We love you and sana matupad lahat ng wish mo sa buhay.
Happy birthday, Hannah. So sana ma-enjoy mo ang buhay bata, okay? So wag ma-pressure sa pag-aaral at kung ano pa man, basta i-enjoy mo lang yan at lumaki kang mabait, mapagmahal sa pamilya. So happy birthday, Hannah.
At ipagpatuloy mo ang pagiging mabuting bata at magalang.
Ana, happy birthday sa'yo. Wish ko sa'yo, ikay makapagtapos ng pag-aaral.
Happy birthday, Hannah. Ang wish ko sa iyo ay bigyan ka ni Lord ng mabuting kalusugan, mahabang buhay at patuloy na tagumpay sa lahat ng iyong pangarap. Happy birthday, Hannah.
Beauty and the Beast.
Si Hannah, very loving na bata. Makulit, minsan matigas ang ulo, pero most of the time naman ay napaka-loving.
Never rise before, and never just as sure as the sun.
Actually, we have a son before her, but he passed away when I was 6 months pregnant. That's why we consider Hannah as a miracle baby and an answered prayer. Sabi nga namin, parang hiniling siya nung aming son kay God para ibigay sa amin. Kaya she's very precious to us.
Sobra. Damn.
Nakita kita paano ka lumaki, nakasama kita from the very beginning. Nakita kita kung paano ka unang tumayo, nakita kita paano maglakad, and I am very proud of you sa lahat ng achievements mo, sa lahat ng graduation mo. Proud na proud si Kuya sa'yo. And Hannah, again, happy 7th birthday. I love you.
Habang nandito kami, bibigay namin lahat ng, mo. Lahat ng kailangan mo, hindi ka namin pababayaan. Tapos, mahal-mahal ka namin. Sobra. Nag-iisa ka para sa amin, kaya we love you, Hannah.
Certain as the sun. Certain as the sun. Rising in the east. Tale as old as time. Song as old as rhyme. Beauty and the Beast.
Happy 7th birthday, Hannah! We love you!